Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Roblox application on Windows. Okay, if you want to update your Roblox application, guys, you can go to the Microsoft Store. You can open up the Microsoft Store application and then you can search Roblox. And then here you can open the Roblox, then update your Roblox here. If the Roblox need to be updated, you will see the update button, but now my Roblox is already updated. And then if you don't have the Microsoft Store application, you can go to your Google Chrome or your browser, and then you can search Microsoft Store. You can visit the Microsoft Store website like this, and you can open the Microsoft Store. Then you can update your Roblox here. Just search Roblox as I have told you before, and you can update your Roblox on this menu. Okay guys, and that's how we can update Roblox application on Windows. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!